Yo, talk to me.
Highway cut-ups, yes?
Alright, let's get it.
What's going on, everybody? Johnny DK back again with another video, and today we're going to a little park and chill card meet. Later on, I'm gonna link up with my boy Chase, and we just gonna get to some action. We're gonna do some highway cut-ups on the way there, and I'm gonna show you all the builds. And that's just basically today's video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, do all that. Y'all already know, man. Hey, but I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I get to the gas station, because y'all already know first step of the day is filling up that gas. Y'all already know how to get gas right quick. Go to my boy Chase. My boy Chase at. Yeah. With the two.
Where the cat?
Yo, it's over there. You ain't see me?
No.
POV videos, bro. Yo.
Whole time I'm thinking you jump up out of. Alright, let's go. I'm thinking you jumped out of this.
Yeah, I gotta get a GoPro, bro. I need them POVs, bro. So we gonna head to this little beef.
My boy DK.
Hey, what's the YouTube? I'm gonna put it down below.
Shake, I'm gonna just show y'all.
Oh no! Wait, hold on. Let me focus on that right quick. Let me edit the brightness. Y'all see that? Y'all see that?
We just started, too.
Just started. Y'all show love, bro.
Tell them your too.
Johnny DK, bro. Y'all follow, subscribe. Hellcats on Instagram. We gonna get to this meet. We gonna make it lit. We going.
Yo, talk to me.
Highway cut-ups, yes?
Alright, let's get it.
We going. Damn, I need a wheel balance, boy. This shit getting shaking. Where's Tiger? Pay attention. I got nowhere to be found. Yes, sir. Quick little cut-ups. See this right here, guys? This little cut up, I wasted $20 worth of gas. Oh, we got another cat. What that is? A cat? Oh yeah. Out here, you heard? My dog Chase right on my eyes, you heard? Certified drivers out here. So I don't know if you can show him in the rear view, babe. He right there, yeah. Yeah. He right there with me. We got people cutting off Chase and shit. Come on now. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, nigga. What you talking about? Another Charger? But he not with the shits. By the way, guys, we're going to just a little park and chill meet. No action. I'm not going to takeovers no more. I don't do takeovers. It's not safe. And it brings nothing but problems, to be honest. So we go in a different direction. We might get a few races on here. We gonna see what's up. We gonna link up with my boy Red Eye Jake. Oh, there's another cat right here? Oh, that's a scat. But we gonna link up with my boy Red Eye Jake. That's a 1,000+ horsepower Challenger. That shit is crazy. One day we're gonna do a review on it. I'm gonna show you guys when we get there. I wanna do a review, basically showing how fast it is. We're gonna do a reaction video. We planning to do it in the future. Alright, y'all, so we 2 minutes away from the car meet. We about to pull in soon. From what I know, it's a lot of land out there. We're gonna see. I don't know if there's gonna be a lot of cars. Hopefully there is. But yeah, we just gonna see if we see some crazy builds out there. I'm gonna record, show you guys all the cars and stuff. And we just gonna chop it up out there, man. If you want underglow on your car, don't forget JDK Factory on Instagram. If you want starlights, any other modifications, really, crafty modifications, hit us up on IG. And yeah, we gonna go to this car meet and network, see what business I could get out there. Basically that's what I like to do. Wherever I go, I'm either making money, I'm planning to make money, or I'm gonna make money in the future. So that's how I move out here. I don't got time to waste. That's just how it is. But we about to pull in right now. My boy Chase pulled over to the side.
Lead the way.
Alright. I need that GoPro, y'all. I really need that GoPro for that POV footage. Soon I'ma get it. Alright guys, so this is the meet. They got food trucks out here. Look, check it out. Bunch of food trucks. This is a big car meet out here, man. Bunch of food trucks. We heading to the cars right now. There's traffic, so from what I'm seeing, I think it's gonna be packed. Watch out for the car. He's the whips, man. Stop playing, man. Know how I'm coming. Light highway cut-ups, yes?
Hey, what color was that? That
Daytona?
body? That shit was nice though.
It was like a Gomingo. I think Gomingo.
That shit was nice.
It was. Got the builds out here. GT 500. I ain't gonna lie, I love Mustang. That shit clean. There's a bunch of nice cars out here. Bunch of nice views. Let's go this way. Got a Supra here. Gotta love me some Supra. Ooh, look that way, babe. R33. Yes, sir. Skyline. Come on now. We gotta get this on video. We got to. Now look at that rear end. It's just looking crazy. Oh, and we got a Supra right next to it. Them boys came deep. Record me though. Alright, y'all. So we got the drift cars here. 350Z. Yup. Another Supra. Oh my God, we got two OG Supras right here. Yes, sir. We heard some two-step going on. We're gonna see what's going on. We're going to the two-step. Yeah. Oh, I want y'all to come look at this. Yo, Chase, look at this. Come here. Supra engine. Yes, sir. We got a Lambo at the meet. Yes, sir. We got the Lambo. If we got the music, show the music setup, babe. Real music. Alright, y'all, this is a Datsun 240, I think. Look at it. Hold on. Come this way, don't get in the video. And we got the 240SX with the LS in it, and it got a turbo. Look how big that turbo is. Come on, let's go over there. Look how big this turbo is. Oh my God. I put my fist in that shit. Alright, y'all, we just made it to the Mopar section. I don't know why we not here, but
over here.
that's what I'm saying. Show them all the Mopars, baby. We should be over here. Mopar. Y'all look at this car. What in the world?
No,
and he locked.
Look how he locks.
That's crazy. What engine is in it?
660cc.
Oh, okay. So it's a motorcycle engine in it?
Basically, but it's a car engine. It's just made for this type of car.
That's dope. It's stiction.
Yeah, it's thick.
That's dope.
What year?
92.
92?
Are they like foreign? They don't make them here, huh?
It's Japanese.
Oh, okay. Okay, this is dope. It's different.
Maybe my fourth day and I don't know.
Alright guys, so we just left the car meet. It was lit. But right here, we in Walgreens. You gotta get my girl some Vicks vape rubs so she could breathe. You already know. We just doing a little vlog. You feel me? But let me know what y'all think of the content. More content on the way. Yes sir.
Where the medicine is, maybe? No. This way, babe. This way.
We gotta get in the rhythm of just recording the lifestyle, man. The day in the life of Johnny DK.
Right here. This is what I need.
So you could breathe.
Yes.
So you could breathe.
Lifesaver.
Question. Do you want some Dr. Pepper?
Yeah.
No, we have some at home.
That's right. We just
I
got
forgot. Is there anything else we need in here?
some hot Cheetos.
Lemon hot Cheetos? guys, by the way, you gotta listen to me. She doesn't sound like this regularly. She's sick. Right now she sounds like she smoked 100 cigarettes, but she don't sound like that regularly. Uh-oh.
What do I want from
Like
here?
COVID. He said, hold on. Let me film that.
What?
Oh, hold on.
Oh.
Y'all don't know me, but I love my candy. I love my candy. All I gotta say. Where's your chips? Alright, y'all want to get the little cold start? I'm saying the cold start, the auto start. JDK Factory, no glow. You need that. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. We just made it to the crib, man. Today was fun. We saw a lot of nice builds out there. And yeah, if you're still watching the video right now, make sure you subscribe, like, drop a comment. I just want to say thank you for watching the whole video. Stay tuned for all the next videos coming up. Let me know what videos y'all want to see. Let me know. I got y'all. Reaction videos coming. More coming. Let me know what y'all want to see. And I'll get back to everybody I can. And yeah, Johnny DK, man. Stay tuned for the next one. Yes, sir.